Today is another one of my videos that I got for my birthday when I turned 8. And it says, true2u. And I'm gonna open the box. I already opened one part of it. And it's hard to open it. Okay guys, my mommy opened it. So now let's open it. I'll just take it out. Wow! Slowly. I'm gonna start just on tape first. I will think first. Oh yeah. Definitely tape. It's clear. Okay. There's more tape. Oh no. This tape right over here. That's the two. It will open. Oopsies. Okay, let me put that back. Oh, yay! Okay, I took these okay, but they are very shiny, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. I like this, actually. Well, what should it be? What's in here? Is that all of them? Nope. Is that all? Yeah. Okay, slowly and gently. Oopsie. They fell. Okay. Let me put them back. And okay, guys, look, I opened the unicorn. I will close it now just for me to. Oh, goes right there.